How to copy comments on Instagram. Follow this step. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, scroll through your feed and find the post containing the comment you want to copy. Once you have located the post, select the comment icon to open the comment section. Since Instagram doesn't have a built-in option to copy the comments, you will need to take a screenshot of the comment section. To do this, press the power button and the volume button at the same time. Afterward, go back and open the Photos app to view the screenshot. Now open the screenshot. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an option labeled Lenses. Tap on it. Now press and hold the comment you wish to copy. Finally, select Copy to save the comment to your clipboard. And that's how you can copy comments on Instagram.